Shannon is the industrial hub of the Midwest. We all know that. We all also know that it isn't properly invested in. In fact, the most recent demonstration of that lack of investment is Facebook going to Meath. There is no doubt that the workforce exists in Shannon. Look at all the people who no longer have jobs since Dell moved on. There's 7 third-level institutes dotted around within a 50-mile radius of Shannon, so the graduates are there. But there's no infrastructure. They can't get to Shannon to go to work. There's no motorways. What should be a 40 or 50-minute drive is in fact a 2-hour drive. Rail? There's 2 single-line railway tracks, one heading west, one heading east. One of them is underwater 6 months of the year, and there's no effort being made to fix that either. There's an airport, but we all know what happened to the airport. It was asset stripped before it was given back to the people. It was undermined for years, and they told us it had a debt forgiveness. The debt forgiveness, Shannon could have serviced its debt if Air International had been left there, and it would have had money left to market itself. But no, Air International had to go to Dublin. Any road, there isn't even adequate broadband in Shannon to support the Facebook initiative. But there's another reason. The other reason is the business influence on the economic model by which Ireland is governed. Business influences government. What do I mean by that? Bank directors, investment brokers, investment fund managers, what your pensions are invested in. They all gamble in the property market. They have vast banks of development land around Dublin. They can access government, something you or I can't. And government policy is set to dictate that Dublin will be pandered to and Dublin will grow. That means your kids and my kids have to move to Dublin to get work. And then they have to buy housing at extortionate rates from those business people who influenced government. See how it works? Government is influenced by business, so capitalists can profit. Instead, government should look after the interests of people. That is what party-led government has done to Ireland. Fat cats getting fatter. Instead, we should have government looking after the people. If you doubt this, look at the statistics. Dublin, since 1926 to 2011, grew by 200%. Clare managed 16.9%. Kerry, our poor cousins, is at minus 6%. There has been a systemic, multi-party, ever-present failure to invest properly in the infrastructure needed to support the Midwest and Shannon as a focal point for industry there. And we know why now. It's because business doesn't want it. How do we change that? We change that by upsetting the model. We change that by attacking the only thing we the voter can. Business finds it very easy to interact one-on-one with a political party. You influence the party as one and you get your policy. If that party, however, is multifaceted, business struggles to interact because it doesn't know where to push. The multifaceted aspect is what you get when you elect independents. They say it's unstable, and if you're trying to profit like a capitalist, it is, because you can't plug in and push it. But maybe that's good for the people. Think about it. Thank you.